Moving away from Washington and downsizing, these are two items that could use an easy button because they are both so overwhelming. But maybe you're tired of the gray skies and the high taxes, or you just want to be closer to family. A lot of folks I talk to are in the same boat. They've lived in their home for decades, they've raised their kids, and now it's time for a new chapter. Downsizing a house can feel huge, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Where do you even start? Let's break it down step by step. The goal is to make downsizing simple and help you get the most from your Washington home so you can start your next chapter with less stress. I have a bonus tip for you later in the video, so be sure to watch for it. The first step you need to take is to face the stuff. Let's be real. The hardest part of downsizing is all the stuff. Decades of furniture, memories in every room, kids' art projects, attics, garages, all those extra linen. It piles up fast. My advice, start small. Pick one room or even just one closet. Set aside the things you absolutely love and then be honest with the things that you actually use. Don't try to do it all in one weekend. Take a few hours a day. Make it fun. Grab a glass of wine or a beer. Turn on the music. Maybe invite a friend over. They will have an objective view. Do you have all the photos from your kids' school or maybe even from your school? All of the artwork from over the school years. My mom gave me a packet a while back with all my artwork and a snippet of my hair from when I was a little girl. And I was like, what am I supposed to do with this? But I get it. If you're having trouble letting go of those items, take a photo and make an album or put them on a thumb drive. It takes up less space and it costs much less to move them. I recommend working in layers. The first pass would be get rid of the obvious, the broken, outdated, and unused items. The second pass would be to donate the items that you don't think you'll be using in your new home. The final pass is to make decisions about sentimental items. Does it come with you or will a photo or memory be enough? Step 2, think about your next space. A lot of people find it easier to donate or give away items when they can picture themselves in their new, smaller home. So before you start packing, picture where you will be heading. Are you moving away from Washington to somewhere sunny like Arizona? You may not need all those winter coats. Or maybe closer to grandkids in Oregon or Idaho, then you might need the winter coats. Or maybe you're just moving out of your longtime home in King County to a less expensive county like Pierce County or Thurston County. Look at the square footage, storage, and lifestyle you actually want. Write down the reason you're moving and the lifestyle you want so you can look back at that and see if the stuff you're wanting to keep aligns with your new plan. If you're moving to a smaller house, you'll thank yourself later for not taking all of those items with you instead of paying to haul them across the country. I have many clients who have packed up many pods full of items just to get to their new destination and find that their stuff doesn't look good in their new house or they don't have room for it. So then they have to find a home for the new stuff instead of relaxing and enjoying their new home. Step number 3, timing your move. A big question I hear is, when is the right time to move? The truth is there's no perfect time. Moving is no fun, downsizing is no fun, but the end result is fun. Knowing the King County real estate market can help you time your sale so you can sell during the peak selling time. But if you have life constraints, sometimes you don't have a choice. The best time to sell is when it works best for you. Are you taking moving trucks across the mountain? Then you need to time the weather. Are you purchasing a new home before you sell your home and move? Then you need to time the closing of your new sale. I always suggest you have a plan B just in case something doesn't work out as planned. Hopefully you won't have to use that option, but it's always best to be prepared. Is this helpful to you so far? If it is, give it a quick like and subscribe. And put in the comments, are you moving out of Washington State? If so, where are you heading? I would love to hear. Step 4, selling your home and exploring your selling options. Your current home has probably grown a ton in value. That is great for your retirement. It means more freedom. But don't stress. You don't need to do a full remodel in order to sell your home. Simple things like fresh paint, clean carpets, and some curb appeal go a long way. You also want to weigh your selling options. Some of my clients who are overwhelmed with repairs or have very little time decide to sell as is. Other clients of mine will put a little bit of money into upgrades and sell their home on the open market for maximum value. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The right choice depends on your timeline, your budget, and how much stress you want to take on. Watch my video, Selling a House in Poor Condition, Can I Still Profit?, to learn a little bit more about selling as is. Step 5, have a guide. Don't do this alone. A trusted guide who understands downsizing and moving out of state can save you a lot of time, stress, and money. Get in touch with a realtor early on so you can build a strategy and stay on track. I have helped many people just like you, empty nesters and retirees who are ready for the next chapter and want to sell a long-time home. With the right steps, we can make the process not so overwhelming. Now, I promised you a bonus tip. Your bonus tip is to organize your move. Your realtor will help you with a strategy, but my moving planner guide that I'm going to give you will help you organize your move and stay on track. You just have to utilize it. You will find the link in the description below or put planner in the comments and I will get one to you right away. Downsizing and moving out of state might feel like climbing a mountain. With the right plan, it's just a series of small steps. Remember, it's not about losing memories, it's about making room for new ones. Thanks for hanging with me today, and I'll see you on the next one.